Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2020 Hot Wheels. I'm pretty sure it's a 2020. Copyright says 2017, but some of the 2020s came like that. This is an 84 Pontiac Firebird from the Mania series, number 4 of 10. For the year, it's number 224 of 250. And I noticed a lot of the 2020's copyright was 2017 on the back of the package. Not sure why. 84 Pontiac Firebird Muscle Mania. Custom striped muscle cars that look good driving around town or racing. That's what the Muscle Mania is. 4 of 10. Red. Let's get it open and see what we're dealing with here. Very popular car in the 80s. No painted taillights or headlights. Where the detail is if you look in all those windows, there's something cool to look at in every one of them. Very cool. Front seat, back seat. Steering on the left side. Double sunroofs. And you wouldn't call them T-roofs because there's no connection here. I'm not sure what you would call those. If there was an actual name for those double sunroofs, comment down below if you know it. Wow, what a nice looking ride. Red. Bottom is plastic. And it is made in Malaysia. All the red is metal. Let's see how she rolls. Ho, 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 ho. Let's try that backwards again. Whoa, I don't want it to wipe out. It rolls well. It doesn't have a good bounce back, but it does roll well. Oh, I don't want to lose it off the porch. Thank you to everybody that tuned in and checked it out. I would say it's definitely going into my Timmy's 10 Again toy collection. As always, please subscribe to Timmy's 10 Again.